Welcome back to Auto Show, your go-to destination for the latest car launches, in-depth reviews, and all the action from the automotive world. 2026 Mazda CX-5 is a masterclass in modern design. With its enhanced Kodo-inspired styling, this SUV has gone from sleek to downright striking. The new two-tone color scheme, deep crimson red with a gloss black roof, gives it a bold, sporty presence. Up front, the enlarged black grille with floating Mazda emblem, paired with C-shaped LED DRLs and sculpted hood lines, creates a powerful first impression. Around the back, redesigned LED taillights and dual exhausts enhance its athletic rear stance. Simply put, this CX-5 looks like it means business. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like it belongs in a luxury SUV. Mazda has loaded the 2026 CX-5 with top-tier materials. Red-stitched leather seats, brushed aluminum trims, ambient lighting, and a new panoramic sunroof that fills the space with natural light. At the center, a 12.3-inch floating touchscreen powered by the latest Mazda Connect system offers seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and smart vehicle controls. With wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a redesigned digital driver cluster, the experience is as intuitive as it is immersive. Under the hood, the 2026 CX-5 comes alive with a refined 2.5-liter turbocharged engine delivering up to 256 horsepower. Mazda's engineers have fine-tuned the powertrain for sharper throttle response, smoother shifts, and improved efficiency. The available iActiv all-wheel drive gives this crossover exceptional road grip and stability, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're on the highway or off the beaten path, the 2026 CX-5 delivers a drive that's confident, responsive, and surprisingly fun. Mazda hasn't held back when it comes to safety. The 2026 CX-5 is loaded with its latest iActiv Sense safety suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and an upgraded 360-degree camera with AI-powered pedestrian detection. Safety isn't just a feature here, it's a fully integrated driving assistant. If you're someone who wants a blend of style, comfort, and performance, but without stepping into the overly expensive luxury SUV zone, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 checks every box. It's practical enough for daily family life, stylish enough to turn heads, and fun enough to satisfy driving enthusiasts. As promised, here's the twist. Mazda has confirmed that the 2026 CX-5 will be the final model in this line to offer a pure gasoline engine. That's right, this could be your last chance to own a CX-5 with Mazda's signature SkyActiv internal combustion punch. The next generation will be fully electric. So if you're a fan of that raw engine feel, this is the version to get.